It's the dream.
Nathan. What's your name?
Good to the same.
Broke out sharing my bridges closed. Then I got rich and I kept them close.
And how old are you?
18, youngest team. I'm 19 and I'm Alex.
Just stepping with a woman I love.
No, just a little older.
Sweetway in the building.
Trap out the doors again. Trap out the doors.
You know what I'm saying? 21 years old, about to be 22. You know
Okay.
what I'm saying?
What's your name? Name and age.
Joseph. 21, about to be 22.
Okay.
Gonna get 200 points.
I like tomatoes.
Life like this is what your life like. Try to live the life.
I like rotten tomatoes.
All I wanna do is
Oh yeah, it's a strike. It's a strike.
Are you ready, kids? I can't hear you. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Absorbent and yellow and porous is he.
Give that guy a manual.
Then drop on the deck and flop like a fish. Ready?
He won by 7 points.
Hey, what'd you say in the beginning? What'd you say in the beginning?
Scoreboard check, come on, we're not even that far out.
Real
Let's
guy.
go.
Look at him. Look at him, bro. And look at his score. Look at their score.
Reload. It's okay, we got him.
Let's go, boy. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Oh no!
I'm gonna try and clear.